this lesson, we are going to add Google Map. Google Map is a great way for you to stay connected with people. Let me scoot this over. And it's showing you that specific location there for Theme Expert, which is in Bangladesh. You can put in your address, your location on here. So I'll put in here the White House, United States, and it's showing you right over here. So you put in the name and the country, and it's going to pick that up for you. It's really simple. And you pick to choose the type of view you want, a hybrid, or you can go with a satellite, or you can go with a terrain. And you get to choose the zoom of it too. So zoom in, zoom out, and you can expand the map to be a little more, or you can bring it back to be a little closer. So it's real simple for you to add your address, just the address, the place name, and you can put in where your business is located and it'll pick it up for you. Very, very easy and super fast.